Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dr. Kristiani. I'm from for A English Education Department. In this video, I would like to explain about English as a lingua franca. The definition of English as a lingua franca is the use of English between speakers who don't share first language. English serves as a medium or contact language for intercultural communication. The position of native speakers of English as well, but of course native speakers are not majority of ELF users. The kind of communication you get in health does not follow native English like English. Reason to be interested in English as a lingua franca. Know why we are interested in ELF for English as a lingua franca. Well, one of the most simple reason is the numbers of speakers of ELF, of users of ELF. They are interested to be around 2 billion users of English the world. So between 1 in 3 and 1 in 4 of the population of the world that can use English at some level or for some function. Of English as a lingua franca. This has really important implication for how we understand of English and for the ownership of English. This means that English is no longer centered on the Anglophone world and native speakers countries such as the UK or the US. The ownership of English and has to spread around the world and to use of English as a lingua franca. The differences of English as a lingua franca with other field of study where English is. So this is study of varieties of English. For example, Indian in English, Singapore in English, Nigerian in English, where English is concerned with geographical and national location and use of English. As a lingua franca is different because English as a lingua franca is not about variety of English. English used as a contact language or language of intercultural communication. English as international language or EL is not about variety and certainly not an international variety, and also distinguished of ELF or English as a foreign language, and English as a foreign language is opposed to English as a lingua franca. English as a lingua franca look at communication between non-native speakers of English and native speakers of English, where the non-native speakers of English are expected to confirm and adjust their language. Study of English as a lingua franca as a research area is really good going in the last 20 years or so. English as much as all other participants in the fields of study and relatively new field of study. It has been looked at for a long time, and ELF researchers, three mother of ELF researchers such as Jennifer Jenkins from Vienna Oxford Internationals, Barbara Seidhofer from Vienna University, and Professor Anna Marlin from University of Helsinki. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.